let me set you all straight. It's very brave of me to be sitting in this seat right here next to this one. This one's got 30 years of building PCs and working with PCs. He knows history out the wazoo. You can say something to him and he's got it. Me, in the last 18 months, let me tell you what I've used. I need someone to write all this down for me so I've got a list. Let's look at CPUs. Intel. I've used a 4790, I've used a 6800K, I've used a 8700K, I've used a 7700K, I've used a 9900K, I've used a 980XE. What have you got in your computer right now? The 10980XE? I've used a 109080XE. That's just on Intel. On AMD, I've used a 1700X, a 2600, a 2600X, a 2700, a 2700X, and a 3700X. And we built a 3950X and a 3900X. I've used a Threadripper 1 1950X. I've used a Threadripper 2 2950X. Are you all writing this down? I've used DRAMless SSDs. I've used good SSDs. Let's talk about GPUs. This is just in the last 18 months. Okay, you ready? NVIDIA. I've used all the 10 series cards. 1050, 1060, 1070, 1080, all their TIs, and the 1063 gig and 6 gig cards. On the AMD side, I've used the 580, the 590, I've used the 5700 XT. Not very many on them. I've used more NVIDIA. What else? Monitors. Let's talk about monitors. Are you writing all this down? I've used a 24-inch, a 27-inch, a 32-inch. I've used a 30-inch, and I've also used the ultra-wides, 1080p, 1440p, 4K. And this is just in the last 18 freaking months. So when I give you my experience, I've sat there and used this stuff. No, I don't benchmark. No, I don't have what he knows in me, but I've listened to 1600 videos that he is also done on the channel, plus all the 2 ideas that go with it. So 1600, well, actually it's more, 2000 videos times 3 ideas, that's freaking 6,000 videos worth of information. So I'm sorry if I don't keep it all straight. What else?
I'm so proud of you.
So yeah, when you sit here and think I'm damn useless, screw you, because it's hard to stream with just one person. You need 2 people because there's chats. He wouldn't be able to do chat if it was just by him, and he wouldn't be here without me. So we make a good team.
I am so proud of you for being able to rattle that list off. You have no idea.
Oh, and then there's all the microphones that we've used.
I am so proud of you.
These microphones, the wireless microphones.
You're rattling off all that stuff the way, and I'm sitting there actually mentally ticking them off in my head, and I'm thinking of where each one of those you used is and when you used them. And I'm sitting there going, she's got a good memory.
Yeah.
I'm actually very proud of you.
I've used all of that in the last 18 months. So I think I deserve freaking 2 gold stars. Hold my beer, I'm trying to write all this down. I'm glad I'm not the manager. Did someone mark down the timestamps? Wait. Oh, war totems? Yeah, you would have no idea. In that 3070, why you shouldn't buy a 3070 video? Yeah, I copped a spanking from some not very nice people.
We get more comments than you'd think.
Why is she sitting there? She's useless. She just says yes. Well, I can't freaking talk when he's talking, and he has a lot to say.
Well, not to mention the fact there's those.
Well,
there's
also
those
too, if he's talking and I ask him a question, it ruins his train of thought. So after 16 years of marriage, you do not do that. You let the man talk. 3 gold stars for Rogue. That is a big list, Sir Brucey. Yeah, I haven't been sitting here with my thumb up my ass. I've actually been working. Oh, not to mention all the different cameras that we use. That's a whole different kettle of fish.